Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe out there. Big shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you're new to the channel, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and yes, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. It's been absolutely crazy so far. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, it would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that. All right, so give it a good old thumbs up down there. It doesn't cost you anything. It's right there, all right? Give it a good old tap. All right, let's get straight into it. Little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. I do not want to see anyone get financially hurt. That is why my number one golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. And yes, we don't like to lose. You can lose money like that in crypto, all right? So please be careful out there. Do your own research and due diligence. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the formalities are out of the way. Yes, it's been a pretty crazy night. I bought some stocks last night. I've been watching, all of the crypto space. The Bank of International Settlements has come out with a new report today. We'll go through all of this, so make sure you stick around to the end. Let's go and have a look at the community tab. Yes, I am finally on TikTok. It is hilarious. I made an account. Here it is right here, ladies and gentlemen, my first video. So feel free to go follow me. I'm on TikTok. I'm at the Wall Street Bull right there. I've linked it there so you can easily click that in the community tab. Now, this is interesting as right. Sorry, interesting, I'm losing my mind. So the Bank of International Settlements says that central bank digital currencies poised to be the foundation of the financial system. This is happening right now. And I'm telling you, it's happening right now before everyone's eyes, and people can't even see what's actually happening. Central bank digital currencies, guys. It's scary stuff. Again, I watched Joe Rogan, and there was a gentleman on there who obviously mentioned that CBDCs are going to be like food stamps and that governments will control this. Now, also, Rob Kiyosaki from Rich Dad, Poor Dad basically said the same thing. If you control the money, you control the entire world. This is what's happening right now. Governments want to control everybody through money. They're doing this through central bank digital currencies. This is what is going to happen right now. So again, I honestly believe that Ripple is going to be there at the forefront. The SEC has deliberately gone after Ripple because they do not want a private company going after all of this. But anyway, they can't stop Ripple because Ripple is literally being used in every single country around the globe. So again, I'm so bullish on XRP. Now, we've got some other updates here in relation to Ripple and the SEC lawsuit. Eleanor Terra put this tweet up, and I just copied it. So again, full credit to her for this. So what we're waiting for in the Ripple XRP lawsuit, Judge Netburn's decision on whether the Hinman's emails and documents fall under attorney-client privilege. We'll see what happens there. You've obviously got Judge Torres' decision on the SEC's motion to seal its opposition to John E. Deaton, legend, request to file as well. So this is what's upcoming in the Ripple versus SEC lawsuit. We'll keep an eye on this one. These are the stocks that I bought last night for those dividend investors on my channel. Again, it's pretty risky stuff, but they are incredibly high dividend yields, which again, I'm looking for the most income every single month, straight up. That's my goal. RYLD, XYLD, and QYLD. They're all Global X, obviously funds right here. I bought 12 shares of RYLD, 6 shares of XYLD, and 15 shares of QYLD. I will keep everyone posted on that, and I will do a full video on the weekend about this. Favorite altcoin right now, let's have a look. Again, I love talking with everyone in here. XRP, Shiba Inu, XRP, XLM, XDC, Seller. I haven't looked into Seller right now. GLMR, don't know what that one is. Quant, yes, bullish on Quant, and the rest all legendary right here, ladies and gentlemen. Banking coins. Now, if we go to here, these are my gainers today in my portfolio. I've got Holochain, you've got Dogecoin, FTM, Matic, and GRT. I like GRT because I think Web3 is going to be absolutely insane in the future, so I am invested in that. Let's go to Coinspot. This is where I buy my cryptos in Australia, so please feel free to use the referral link below. You will get $10 in Bitcoin if you use that, but please do your own research, of course. All of these prices are in Australian dollars, just to clarify. Just look at my microphone. No, this video is not old. These prices are in Australian dollars. Everything else is set to USD because I cater for everyone. Bitcoin's sitting at $30,000 today. It is up today, which is nice, above the 20,000 mark, which is good. You've got Cardano at 70 cents. XRP's at 48 cents. Guys, this is an absolute gem. This is crazy stuff right now. Honestly, it really is. Solana's at $53. Again, I was going to buy that. But there's a lot of stuff happening with Solana, and I might just stay on the sidelines with Solana, so we'll stay away from that one. Dogecoin's up nearly 8% today to 9 cents. I'm still holding that. Polkadot's at $11. You've got Tron at 9 cents. Shiba Inu's up 26% today, which is ridiculous. I'm still holding my Shiba, and I bought it way before the last massive pump happened. So again, I've seen some pretty insane returns with Shiba Inu. Let me know in the comments below if you're actually holding it. I'm just going to hold it anyway. So I bought it before all that stuff happened with, the major pump probably last year, the year before, early last year. Anyway, Matic's at 61 cents right now. You've got Link at $10. Stellar's at 16 cents. You've got Near Protocol at $5. Algorand's at 47 cents. Keep moving down here. VeChain. There's some updates from VeChain. Very bullish stuff. So I believe it's proof of authority. They're upgrading the system to here, the project to. So it's pretty nice. Still an undervalued gem at 3 cents right now. Hbar's at 11 cents. Hedera. I am going to definitely buy some more Hedera. Moving on here, ladies and gentlemen, let's have a look. Theta's at $1.86. Axie Infinity's at $21, up virtually $1, which is interesting. Zcash, $97. IOTA's at 42 cents right now. That is a gem. The Graph, 16 cents. You've got Phantom, 39 cents. Quant is at $82. Now, Quant for me is definitely one that's been holding up quite nicely, even during these insanely bearish times that we're all in at the moment. So I'm quite happy that I invested some money into Quant. I will dollar cost average into Quant because I think it's going to be an incredible project. Anyway, moving on. Neo's at $13. The other one's obviously Zill's at 6 cents. You've got UST right here still at 1 cent. So again, that's definitely gone. Gala's at 8 cents right now. I love Gala games. Again, they've got some pretty incredible play to earn games. So I think they're going to be big in the future, but we'll see what happens with that one. And of course, XDC at 4 cents right now. So I'm very bullish on that. Now, let's go to Crypto Bubbles. And now I'm going to refresh this right now because this always changes. Let's have a look. All right, on the day, you've got Zill up 18%. I was trading this on 3 commas. And by the way, I've seen some people asking, am I still using that? Yes, I am. I've still got all my bots set up, but I mean, they're like 80 to 90% down. So they're basically in limbo until the trades start moving up with the prices. But we'll leave that go anyway. So again, 3 commas is incredible. I've seen some pretty insane money on that, but we'll let that go. Again, I was trading this at, obviously on there. 4 cents. It's still up 18% on the day. Shiba Inu as well, 25% on the day. Up on the year is up 43%. Again, I'm still holding that. Just leave it. I mean, I threw in some little money and I've seen some pretty crazy stuff with that one, so we'll leave that. Waves, it's up 43% on the day. Really nice. $6.84. Excuse me, I just had my coffee. $6 right now. Again, I sold out of Waves and I put that money into Axie Infinity to stake Axie Infinity. So again, who knows? Again, I got out of Waves and put it into Axie Infinity. 41% on the week, 16% on the month. What else we got here? XCN keeps popping up, ladies and gentlemen. It's still up 80% on the year. Again, I looked into this. I'm not really interested in XCN. Let me know in the comments below if you are. Of course, Dogecoin up 7.9% on the day. Let's go to some other news right now. Ripple vs SEC lawsuit, again, hit by the SEC request to air exhibit 0 docs. XRP price tries to find footing above 30 cents right now. The SEC on June 15th filed a request to seal testimony from expert witnesses and quashed Ripple's move to file a brief regarding opinions of experts. The US regulatory authority claimed Ripple's assertion the information was confidential was not legally valid justification for non-disclosure. Analysts predict a recovery in XRP price as the selling pressure on the altcoin is reduced. So again, the community is awaiting the next step in the court lawsuit that the payment giant, I love the description here, payment giant, it is a giant, facing the US Securities and Exchange Commission right now. The SEC filed a request to prevent Ripple Labs from sealing the potential sensitive documents judicially, so tongue twister, known as the Exhibit O, and the ball now is on the judge's side. In the meantime, XRP price has stabilized above the key 30 cents. Again, I'm still bullish on XRP. I'm dollar cost averaging. I really do believe that they will win this lawsuit. However, the judge now has to make all these decisions right now, and I hope that Judge Netburn and Torres both make the correct decisions. So again, I think that they need to see that the SEC is just playing gamesmanship right here and are using a lot of delay tactics. Again, I think this is all planned anyway. How bullish is this? So Ripple partners with Lotus Cars to bring automotive NFTs to the XRP ledger. I was bullish on Lotus, and again, because they had the Formula One team, and I ended up meeting one of their drivers there, Roman Grosjean. Anyway, Roman, he was a good dude, man. So anyway, it was pretty hilarious that day. So a British automotive company, Lotus Cars, which manufactures sports cars and racing cars, has announced plans to launch into the world of non-fungible tokens. So in a press release, Lotus said that it's the first NFT collection it's working on with NFT Pro and Ripple, which is providing technical support on the XRP ledger. It also mentioned that the partnership between Lotus and the NFT Pro marks the car brand's debut on Web3 space, creating a community and exciting new opportunities. How bullish is that? Love Lotus, guys. Very long history with Formula One. Now, this is interesting. The Bank of International Settlements, 90% of central banks are researching the utility of CBDCs. I think they're doing this all because, again, they're moving all to the blockchain. This is going to happen. It's inevitable. They're all moving to this. We've seen it all before, but it's pretty scary stuff. Because, again, central bank digital currencies will allow people, these institutions to control everybody's money. So I don't like that. I like decentralized. We control our own money, not the institutions. That's the whole reason why Bitcoin was created. In a new annual economic report published by the Bank of International Settlements, the financial institution revealed that approximately 90% of central banks worldwide are investigating the feasibility of adopting central bank digital currencies. The BIS report highlighted the ability for the current sovereign fiat money to provide relative price stability in the public oversight, while criticizing crypto's inability to perform basic fundamental functions of money and their opacity with regards to accountability to the general public. And again, I've got that full-blown report here. This is on their website. So again, a monetary system. Look at this. The BIS presents a vision for the future monetary system. This is what's happening behind the scenes. Mainstream media does not put this stuff up. Facts. Monetary system based on central bank public goods using a digital version of sovereign currency as its foundation could foster innovation while safeguarding stability and security. As a two-tiered monetary system, central bank digital currencies and fast payment systems could enhance efficiency and financial inclusion while buttressing data privacy. Recent turmoil in the crypto universe is a reminder of cryptocurrencies' financial vulnerabilities, but their deeper structural inadequacies, tongue twisters anyway, have been apparent for some time, the report warns. Inadequacies. There you go. Sorry, I'm losing my mind here. There's so many big words. But anyway, this is the full-blown 41-page report right here. But I just want to bring your attention to something. I was reading this while having my coffee earlier this morning. But have a look at this, right? And this is interesting. So, institutional investors play a growing role in crypto. Look at this right now. This is in 2020. The institutional is obviously in the blue and the red is retail. 2021, look at the institutional adoption right here. So again, look at that. Institutions are now outpacing retail investors. That's full on, right? And you've got investments of large banks in crypto active firms are still limited right now. These are all the banks: ING, Barclays, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, BNP Paribas, massive banks, UBS, Citi, BNY Mellon, Standard Chartered. These are the percentages right here. So again, everyone needs to pay very close attention to this, ladies and gentlemen, because institutional money is starting to flow into cryptos. That's what's happening right now, but they don't tell you that. They're just putting so much fear and uncertainty and doubt in there. This is all part of the major plan right here. ProShares to launch first US ETFs. That's bearish on Bitcoin. How's this? How's this a slap in the face from Gensler? This is against Bitcoin. Products seeking to inverse performance of the S&P CME Bitcoin Futures Index are expected to list on the New York Stock Exchange on Tuesday. Very interesting, guys. So looking at the profit from extended downturn in cryptocurrency markets, an ETF that bets against Bitcoin is set to start trading on Tuesday. What are we today? What's the day? Today's a Wednesday. Today I'm losing my mind. There you go. So again, it's obviously going live last night. Run by fund issuer ProShares, the short Bitcoin strategy ETF is designed to deliver the inverse of the performance of the S&P CME Bitcoin Futures Index via bearish Bitcoin futures. The company is dubbing it the first short Bitcoin ETF in the US. Isn't it amazing how they just launched a shorting ETF right now during this market downturn? Interesting, ladies and gentlemen, very interesting. Anyway, Bitcoin rebounds, leading other cryptocurrencies higher after its big dip over the weekend. So Bitcoin climbed on Tuesday after a slew of negative headlines had pushed the cryptocurrency to a new 2022 low over the weekend. Obviously dipped down to $17,000, but now it's back up, which is nice. Don't listen to the mainstream media, everyone. Obviously, when I see stuff like this, it just makes me think, Michael Saylor may be right in a sense where he's saying buy Bitcoin. Probably the dude knows. I mean, he's invested so much money into that. Follow the money. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below what you think about that. Let's have a look here. You've got cryptometer.io. I'm going to refresh this because this changes literally all the time. Here we go. In the last day, you've got Shiba Inu, BNB, XRP, TRX, BCH, STRK, ANC, FLM, and JST. That's where the money's been flowing. Let's go to Twitter right now. Have a quick look through this. This is interesting right now. Michael Saylor getting pulled up basically by saying people should mortgage their houses to buy Bitcoin. Have a listen to this.
So you've been seen as the sort of Pied Piper of Bitcoin, and some people are suggesting that maybe you've gone too far, that you've been irresponsible for instance, suggesting people mortgage their homes and businesses. I want to share a soundbite with you in the audience and then get your feelings on that.
And if you absolutely love the thing that you don't want to sell it, go mortgage your house and buy Bitcoin with it. And if you've got a business that you love because your family works for the business, it's in your family for 37 years, and you can't bear to sell it, mortgage it, finance it, and convert the proceeds into the hardest money on earth, which is Bitcoin.
Whoa, I'm surprised the SEC hasn't gone after him for that. This is an interesting, thank you, Riz, for this one. This is Charles Hoskin, the Cardano founder with BitBoy. Great interview, man. Honestly, it really is. Have a listen to this.
When you do regulation through enforcement instead of legislation. Absolutely. You shouldn't have we'll just do a case-by-case thing and go through and everybody lives in fear. You should have clear, understandable standards, and there should be a clear process for people to adhere and comply with those standards. For example, with the Ethereum crowd sale in Switzerland, we just asked the Swiss government. And after a few weeks of haggling, they told us what to do. And we had a thing and it was over. The SEC tends not to issue no action letters in a meaningful way for the industry. So there's no real good means of interfacing and integrating. And in the absence of that, people have different opinions, and there's winners and losers. And sometimes people get away with crazy stuff. Like, I think there were still some structural and terrible problems with what happened with EOS. They seem to be able to keep everything that they have. And then other times people get very harshly punished, like with the Telegram issue, or with library. Yeah.
Interesting. So again, regulation through enforcement. They've done this deliberately, attacking Ripple, Library, and giving a free pass to Ethereum. Crazy stuff right here. Now, this is insane right here. Bullish as anything for, obviously, Ripple. You've got SBI, who obviously the founder of SBI and the CEO there is so bullish on XRP, which is awesome as well. Can't understand the interview though. I mean the press conference there, or the boardroom meeting, because it's all in Japanese. So again, go watch my video from yesterday. Let me know in the comments about that. But you've got an update here. SMFG is in talks to buy 10% stake in SBI Holdings. This is bullish for Ripple. Again, because SBI's got a major share position in Ripple as well. And obviously, SBI is going to be using Ripple straight up. They've clearly stated that right now. Linda P. Jones, this is interesting right now. Are you noticing the word Ripple being randomly used a lot more lately? Here's one example right here. Ripple effects of the Fed's anti-inflation actions right there. Again, I've seen that a lot as well myself. Yes, that's me on TikTok. Go follow me on that. Pretty full on right here. This is international settlements. An ETF bets against Bitcoin is set to start trading on Tuesday. That's already happened, obviously. I don't like that at all. It's like a slap in the face from Mr. Gensler to the retail investors. Mental stuff right here. You've got here a collaboration with Deloitte will create a centralized approach on advising financial companies of all sizes looking into implementing Bitcoin products into their services. So this is Deloitte and DIG, partnering up right there. This is what's happening right now. Everyone's getting advised on Bitcoin. I'm telling you, this is what's happening. FTX has agreed to support BlockFi with a $250 million revolving line of credit. That is crazy right there. Stay hungry in the mornings, don't eat. earn that stuff right there. Yes, don't eat. I'm fasting. Obviously, it's pretty good. Keeps the mind, fresh. The defendants requested that the response to the SEC's opposition to Amakai motion filed publicly. Judge Torres is giving the SEC a chance to propose its own redactions to the defendants' response by June 23rd. Both letters below. Again, June 23rd. That is tomorrow here in Australia. The following day in America. Interesting right here. So again, 7th of November 2020. This is obviously 2 years ago now. Financial giant SBI to test XRP in $6.6 trillion foreign exchange market. This is an old article, but it just goes to show that it has happened right now. So that is awesome right there. CBDCs, not crypto, will be a cornerstone of the future monetary system right here. That is insane. XRP Ledger there in Times Square. Love New York. Can't wait to get back there, of course. And again, 7-Eleven there. How fun is that? The price probably would go there. Elon Musk is now officially, put a letter to the SEC asking shareholders to accept the $44 billion offer. So again, they're taking that private. And the future of finance, Paris FinTech Forum right here. You've got this interesting interview right here from, insane press conference here. Have a listen to this.
Crypto assets at large have lost about 85% of their value in a matter of 1 year.
Going to fast forward this a little bit.
Your business model, you're going to change it. You're going to reduce your cost. You're going to expedite your transactions, and you're going to continue to inspire confidence because you will build that on the basis of an existing backbone, which is your bank and the confidence relationship that you've established with your customers. So that's where I see changes happening now. If you think of Circle and Ripples and all those, that's where they are active and helpful.
Anyway, that's crazy right there. So this is the Paris FinTech Forum. Sorry. Again, listen to what these people are telling you right here. Yoshitaka Kateo, forgive me for pronouncing his name wrong, CEO of one of Japan's largest banks and one of the largest financial institutions in the world, and Ripple investor and partner. Every bank in Japan will use Ripple's XRP by 2025. That is awesome right there. Anyway, also Swiss luxury watchmaker Hublot now accepts Shiba Inu. I don't know, man. I don't like Hublot. Let me know in the comments below. Some other videos on my channel and a whole range of tweets from the BIS report. Go and have a read of that on Twitter. It's very interesting right there. Let's have a look at coin market cap right now. Let me refresh this. Okay, $906 billion in volume, obviously in the last 24 hours. Sorry, $70 billion, $906 billion there in the market cap. Again, it's quite low, but it's slowly creeping back up to a trillion there, which is nice. 43% BTC, 14% Ethereum. Still bullish on my portfolio right here. And again, I will go through this and do a full video on why I'm holding all these. Bitcoin, 20,000 USD. It is sideways at the moment. Has been for months, obviously. Cardano, XRP, bullish. Stellar, Hedera, VeChain, I'm bullish on as well. Quant, definitely adding more of that into my portfolio. XDC, of course. Some other gems right here. XYO, I'm still bullish on. And Reef as well. Keep an eye on that one because that one's definitely a sleeper. Veracity, I like what they're doing, the project, and with creators of videos, which is awesome. Star Atlas, again, I love the game. Can't wait for them to actually launch it. That's it for today's update. Let's talk in the comments and the community tab. Stay safe. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, everything, ladies and gentlemen. We're getting it out there, all right? Stay safe. We'll speak to you tomorrow. Peace. Bye.